Hello and welcome to another update video about ETH. Yeah, just a quick update here. ETH has just been moving sideways, no trend at all here today, just consolidation above yesterday's high. And I already mentioned it earlier today that as long as we're holding yesterday's high, I think a continuation, another extension is quite likely, sort of into the region between 1940 and 1976, which is the 61.8 extension level. So wave 5 of 3 could do that, no problem. I might leave that open here actually. I might shift that a little higher because it's a possibility, especially as long as we're holding yesterday's low. Certainly something we need to consider because ETH just doesn't want to come down. Bitcoin also still holding above 35K. Market again generally quite friendly today. Nothing major today, I think, overall, but still consolidating on a high level that typically indicates at least a possibility for continuation. Can I rule out that we come down? No, of course not. And therefore we use the 1855 level, which is yesterday's low, as key pivot point, which decides between another extension higher and the pullback in wave 4. If a pullback from here occurs in wave 4, well, first of all, I would primarily be watching for a corrective, not impulsive move down. So we're rather looking for a pullback instead of really another impulse down, which can take us to new lows. That pullback should ideally move into this region here between 1824 and 1684, whereas I would see this area here in the middle as high likelihood support area between 1771 and 1727 with this green support line in the middle, basically somewhere, which is the previous breakout point that was broken on the 24th of October. And so far, no weakness. It's good to see ETH so strong, especially compared to Bitcoin as well. So ETH is lagging behind a little bit, but ideally it is catching up soon. And yeah, there isn't much more to add. The only other thing that I'd like to add really is that what I mentioned yesterday already, that primarily in our primary count, another move up in wave 5 is expected. So obviously the idea would be at some point to complete wave 3 here, then get a wave 4 pullback and move higher in wave 5. In the alternative count, which I'm not primarily watching for, but I will have to consider if we break below this support level here at 1684, in an alternative count, we are already about to complete wave 5 here. And that means we have 5 waves up, and that means this counts as a wave 1, and a deeper pullback could be watched for, which would then be a wave 2 pullback. I'm just saying that to make you understand that the next pullback could be quite deep. And if it is deep, then it might set us up for a third wave rally. That's a rally that normally we don't really want to miss. And we see that on the daily time frame, which I want to open again, a ETH daily. I showed you that in the earlier video anyway today. Just quick refresher here. Yeah, I'm talking about this wave 2 pullback then, okay? So you don't want to miss that third wave rally there. Ideally not. That is the FOMO wave, again, third wave over third wave, over third wave. But yeah, in addition to the levels I already gave you, we're just hovering just below a breakout point here at 1895. Then we've got 2030 and $2,150 as key breakout points and structural resistances. Yeah, not much more to add, so just consolidation. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.